In this video, we're talking about the best online business to start in 2019 for beginners.
But if you close your eyes,
All right, welcome back. So before we dive into this video here and start talking about one of the best businesses that you can get started with here in 2019 if you're a beginner, real quick, I just want to say that if this is your first time here on the channel at Freedomuvment, well, we talk about how to make money online, how to generate passive income, and really just how to create a lifestyle of freedom so that you can do what you want, when you want, with who you want. All right, so if you want to see more content and more videos just like that, then I want to invite you to subscribe to the channel and join the movement with us here at Freedomuvment by going down below, clicking that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get notified when we release more videos just like this one. All right, now with that being said, in today's video, we're going to be going over one of the best business opportunities that you can get started with here in 2019 as a beginner. All right, so I mean, today is December 1st, you know, at the time of shooting this video, today's December 1st, it's a new month and the new year is coming up fast, right? I mean, I don't know where the time's gone. I mean, it's just been flying by, right? It's just absolutely crazy, you know, and maybe you're somebody, well, obviously you're on this video right now, right? So you're probably looking for another business opportunity to get started with here in 2019, right? Maybe you're somebody who's, you know, just sick and tired of your current situation and you're not happy with your current job. You know, maybe you're doing the traditional 9-to-5 thing and you're tired of working with the same people or for the same boss, waking up at the same time, going through the same traffic, sitting in the same cubicle or whatever, right? Maybe you want a little bit more money. Maybe you want a couple extra $1,000 a month so that you can just pay your bills, or maybe you want a bigger income, right? Maybe you want a new car, a new home. You want to start traveling the world more. I don't know what your heart's desires are, but I'm here to tell you that with this business opportunity that I'm going to recommend to you here in this video, it's going to allow you to achieve all of those things, all right? It's going to allow you time freedom, financial freedom, and location freedom so that you can do what you want, when you want, with who you want, all right? Now, there obviously is going to be work involved and you are going to have to put in time and effort, but let me tell you, if you can put in time and effort consistently for a period of time, then it will absolutely be worth it. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it here. So obviously today, you know, with the power of the internet, there's so many different options for you, right? There's so many things that we can do today. It's just incredible. You know, you can do, you can obviously start up your own business and create your own products. You can do a franchise. You can do real estate. You can do investing. You can do cryptocurrencies. You know, there's just a plethora of things that you can do today, and it's just incredible. But my number one recommendation, I believe that the number one best business model for you to get started with here in 2019, especially if you're a beginner, is affiliate marketing. All right, and here's why I believe affiliate marketing is one of the best choices for you. So if you were to go start up your own business and create your own products, that's absolutely wonderful. And, you know, I think, you know, you should definitely consider doing that down the road. You know, there's a lot of pride that goes into it. You know, it's your personal brand and it's just truly awesome, right? But the only downside to creating your own products is there's going to be a lot more work involved, right? So you got to manufacture the products yourself. You got to deal with all the distribution, fulfilling those products. You got to deal with customer service, shipping and handling, and all of those things that goes into creating your own products, right? Well, with affiliate marketing, this is one of the most simple business models out there, right? You simply refer somebody else's product, right? So all of those complex moving parts and all of that heavy lifting is already done for you, all right? Your only job, like I said, is simply to refer a product, right? So, I mean, the process itself is so incredibly simple and anybody can do this, right? You don't have to be some technical wizard or some know-it-all. You don't have to have all these fancy credentials or have all these technical skills to do this, right? You can just jump in and get started with ease. All right, so affiliate marketing, this is how it works. I'm just gonna break it down in simple terms here for you. If you're probably already familiar with what it is, but basically you just pick a niche, number one, right? So you pick an area, you pick a market that you're passionate about. And then number two, you're gonna go out there, you're gonna go online, do some research, find an affiliate program, find some affiliate products, that you can promote as an affiliate within that niche. All right, and then you're gonna go online, you're gonna pick a social media platform or multiple platforms where you can start uploading valuable content within that niche, within that marketplace, right? So, there's YouTube, you can start up a YouTube channel, you could start up some Instagram pages, some Facebook pages, you could start a blog, just virtually anything, right? And like I said, you're gonna start adding valuable content within that niche, and then you're gonna start building an audience, right? You're gonna start building a following and start building rapport and relationships with people and start gaining some trust and authority within that niche, all right? And then when that happens, now you can recommend those people, those products and services within that niche as an affiliate, right? And so let me just give you an example here. Let's say that your passion is health and fitness, right? You love health and fitness. Well, so that's the niche that you're gonna pick, health and fitness. Now, you're gonna go out there, or you're gonna go online, do a little bit of research, and you're gonna find an affiliate program or some affiliate products in the health and fitness niche, right? And then you're gonna go and pick a social media platform, so you could go start up a YouTube channel, or you could start up a blog, start writing to your blog. You could fire up some Instagram pages or maybe a couple Facebook pages, and you're gonna start building valuable content within that niche, right? So in this example of health and fitness, let's say that you go and you start up a YouTube channel, right? So you're gonna start uploading content and creating videos within the health and fitness niche, right? Maybe you make tutorials, you do exercise tutorials, right? Maybe you do cooking tutorials, you give out cooking recipes, just so on and so forth. You're adding valuable content within that market, right? And then you're gonna start building a following, right? You're gonna start building relationships, building that rapport with people. People are gonna begin to know, like, and trust you, all right? And when that happens, that's the magical moment, because now you can refer to them these affiliate products, right? So let's say that, you're giving out this cooking recipe, you're shooting a tutorial on how to cook this healthy dish, whatever it is, and you have this protein powder over here, which you're promoting as an affiliate, and you're giving out the ingredients for this particular dish that you're sharing with your audience, and you say, and then we do 1 scoop of protein powder here. And by the way, if you want to get yourself a tub of this protein powder, leave a link down below in the description. Maybe you have a special discount code with it as well. And yeah, and then when they go and click that link below and purchase that protein powder through your affiliate link, you're gonna get paid a commission. All right, so that's the gist of it. That's pretty much how affiliate marketing works, all right? It's super simple, anybody can do it, and it's so incredibly powerful, guys. All right, affiliate marketing is becoming one of the hottest trends online right now. It's just been exploding, all right? And it's only gonna continue to grow throughout 2019, right? This could be the launching pad for you, you could hit the ground running with this affiliate marketing, all right? I know so many people doing $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month, $50,000 a month. People are doing upwards of $100,000 and $200,000 a month with affiliate marketing, right? So there's a lot of money to be made here, especially if you pick the right program, the right system. If you get into high ticket affiliate marketing, there's so much money to be made. The only question now is, how bad do you want it, right? See, most people say that they want to change their life and they want more things out of life, right? They want to travel more, they want more vacation time, they want more money, they want a new car, they want a new home, but they're just not willing to change. And if you want things in your life to change, you're gonna have to change things in your life, right? It's like the Chinese proverb that goes, insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result, right? So, it's like the dog that's sitting there. There's a dog that's sitting there and he's whining. And you go, why is that dog sitting there and just whining? And the guy says, well, because he's sitting on a nail. It's like, well, why doesn't he get up? Oh, it doesn't hurt that bad, right? And I feel like that's a lot of people's situation. A lot of people are kind of coasting through life. They're, coasting through life on cruise control, and they're not happy with their current situation. They're comfortable, right? They're in their comfort zone, but they're not 100% content. They know they want more out of life. They have dreams, they have goals, and they want more freedom, they want more money, whatever it is. But that nail is kind of just poking them, and it doesn't hurt that bad yet. So there's not enough there to, push them up and get them going, right? And, I'm telling you, that can be a dangerous area because, you go through 10, 20, 30 years of your life like that. And then one day, I'm telling you, you're going to have a midlife crisis. You're going to look back on your life and be like, holy crap, like, where did it go? What happened? Right? And you're going to be filled with regret and it's just going to be a spiral downward, right? So I'm telling you, if you're somebody who has a dream, if you have goals, if you know you're destined for greater things in life, then I'm telling you, go for your dreams, my friend, all right? And in my honest opinion, I believe that this affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to get there, right? Because even if affiliate marketing isn't your dream, affiliate marketing isn't my dream either, but I'm doing it right now because I have these big dreams. And when I was working a 9 to 5 and had no money, living paycheck to paycheck, there's no way I could get started with those dreams, right? Like, let's say, for example, that if your dream is to open up a restaurant, it's kind of hard to just, go and open up a restaurant, right? You need hundreds of thousands of dollars, right? With affiliate marketing, you can do it for a year or a couple years, a few years, and you can build up a residual income, where you can generate hundreds and thousands of dollars, and now you have the money to go down any path you want, right? Now you can go open up that restaurant. Now you can go do whatever you want. So that's why I think affiliate marketing is such a great option, especially for beginners. It's a great way to get started online, to get some experience under your belt and start earning commissions and making some money, right? And like I said, there's a lot of money to be made. I personally know people doing $100,000 a month, and that could be you as well. All you got to do is get started, my friend. All right. And now the question comes up, well, where do I get started, right? Like, what's the best affiliate marketing program out there? What's the best company or system that I can get started with today, right? That's the question that everybody always asks. And let me give you one key point here. Now, this key element to being successful with affiliate marketing is a key element that's gonna blow out 99% of affiliate companies that you could consider joining, right? And here's why. When you join an affiliate marketing company, they could be a great company, they could have wonderful management, they could be well-financed, they could have a great product mix, a great compensation plan, and all that good stuff. But the chances of you making money are slim to none or zero if the company doesn't have one factor. And that one factor is, does that company have a system in place to support you? Now, let me explain this. Generally speaking, when you join an affiliate marketing company, most people who will sponsor you into that business, that's all they're trying to do. They're trying to sponsor hundreds and thousands of people into the business. And then when you sign up and join, it's like you never hear from them again, right? They vanish, they're gone. It's like, where'd they go, right? You get thrown under the bus and you're on your own to try to figure everything out. There's no help, there's no support, and your chances of becoming successful are like slim to none, right? There's zero, right? Because you're completely on your own. You're the Lone Ranger, right? So here you are on your own. You have no help, no support. It's just you and your little product here. So you take your wonderful product, you go out into the marketplace, you go online, you go bug your family, friends, neighbors, relatives, trying to get them to buy this product of yours here, but you're not really sure how to market it the right way. You have no training. Like I said, there's no support structure there. So you're not really sure how to do it. And you're hoping and praying, that you can make some sales on this product so that you can make some commission, right? And then maybe a few years down the road, you'll have hundreds of people in your downline so that you can make some override on all that volume, right? That's what you're hoping. But in reality, that never happens. Why? Because most people just aren't willing to build the business on their own without any support, without any encouragement, right? Just not very many people are able to do it. And by the way, I'm not making that up. Like, this is factually speaking. These are the facts, all right? So it's so vitally important that when you get started with an affiliate program, they have a support structure in place, all right? Now, what does that mean? Well, number one, they have events every single year, right? 3, 4, 5 times throughout the year, they put on events where you and other members can come together and get inspired, get motivated, and learn, right? You can rub shoulders with other successful people in the business and learn secrets to their success. You can hear them speak live from stage. And it's also a place where you can get recognized and awarded for your achievements, for what you've done in the business, right? And then number 2, you got to ask yourself, does this company have ongoing weekly or monthly seminars that you can attend, or weekly or monthly live trainings or boot camps that you can attend where you can get your questions answered and get ongoing training to help you become successful in the business, right? And then the next thing you got to ask is, do they promote books and audios, right? Because if they don't do those things right there, then I'm telling you, they don't know, right? Like, your chances of becoming successful are going to be dramatically reduced. That is the system to becoming successful with affiliate marketing right there. It's books, audios, events, recognition, and relationships. Those are the key ingredients to becoming super successful with affiliate marketing. And if a company doesn't have those key elements right there, then like I said, your chances of becoming successful are going to be dramatically reduced. All right, so make sure to pick a company that has that support structure in place. And if you want to check out my number 1 recommended program that has that support structure, I'll go ahead and leave a link down below in the description. And then with that being said, that's going to wrap it up for this video. But before I let you go here, I just want to give you a quick book recommendation here. So I just read this book recently. It's called The Go-Getter by Peter B. Ken? I don't know, I probably butchered his last name. But anyways, it's a great book. If you're an entrepreneur or a salesman or soon to be, then I highly recommend checking out this book. It's a super short read. It's only, if you can see, it's super skinny. You can read it in a couple hours, a few hours, but a great book. All right. Anyways, like I said, that's gonna do it for this video. I want to say thank you for watching, and I hope you have a terrific rest of your day. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.